Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by confirming your phone has Bluetooth enabled and sufficient battery life. Check that your phone is charged to at least 50% for reliable pairing. Update your phone to the latest operating system before beginning the connection process. Keep your AirPods Pro inside the charging case with the lid closed until you are ready. Position the case within 3 inches of the phone to ensure a strong Bluetooth signal during setup. These steps prevent common connection errors and improve pairing speed. For iPhone, unlock the phone and open the AirPods Pro case next to it. Wait for the setup animation to appear and tap Connect to start pairing. Follow any on-screen prompts to enable Siri and automatic ear detection if desired. For Android, open Bluetooth settings and press and hold the case setup button for 5 seconds. When AirPods Pro appears in the available devices list, tap the name to pair and confirm any pairing requests on the phone screen. If pairing fails, try resetting your AirPods Pro by holding the case button for 15 seconds. After the LED flashes amber then white, repeat the pairing steps from the beginning. Use your phone Bluetooth settings to forget the device and then repair if issues continue. Check volume, microphone selection, and noise control modes in the Bluetooth device page for optimal sound. Finally, ensure AirPods firmware is updated automatically while charging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.